What relaxes you? What elevates your mood? What improves your emotional state? You know the tools you have for that? Because every morning I fill out what's a gratitude journal I have, and there's a morning entry and an evening entry all about mindfulness and gratitude and things like that. And one of the questions I'm asked every morning is, what are you going to do to relax? And I always put in things like laughter is always the best medicine. So also things like Ricky Gervais, or I might be watching some football or a football talk show or podcast or something like that. So again, there's always time for me to relax me. So put on my own mask first. But you know what relaxes you know what elevates your mood. I know that they're my go-tos. If I want to relax, escape, feel better, unwind from the day, it's typically again comedy or something related to football. So they're my go-tos. How about you? What are your go-tos? If you don't know them, identify them, think about them, and have them as tools to go to, and even end your day that way. There's nothing better than ending your day with laughter. Relax you, puts you at peace, makes you feel good. Can't lose.